Hey, I just scanned the code and bought the coffee I wanted successfully. It's quite convenient, isn't it? As the contactless economy accelerates, devices like vending machines have become an indispensable part of our lives. Hello, I'm Brian, and today I'm going to visit a smart vending machine factory going global online and explore their changes in the contactless economy. Every year, more than 60,000 vending machines are shipped to the world from here. Billions of products are sold through their machines. They are Hunan TCN Vending Machine. Founded in 2003, TCN is one of the first vending machine enterprises in China, and also the first Chinese enterprises applying automatic assembly line in manufacturing process in the industry. As a national high-tech enterprise dedicated to the R&D, production and sales of vending machines, how different is their smart factory? How does it evolve with the tide of the contactless economy? Let's find out. The production base covers an area of more than 200,000 square meters, with an annual production capacity of up to 300,000 units. With independent research and development center, domestic advanced production lines and various precision testing equipment, TCN has been committed to continuously leading the intelligent manufacturing level of vending machine industry. With automatic production lines, only 5 steps are needed from a sheet iron to make an unmanned vending machine. In the sheet metal cutting, foaming, and other processes, using a large number of automation equipment, and the inner foaming and shell assembly, and then the second foaming box. Currently selling products: multimedia vending machine, fresh lifting vending machine, milk vending machine, minus 18 degrees Celsius freezer, ice cream machine, ammunition vending machine, unmanned shop, freshly ground coffee machine, and other full range of products to provide intelligent solutions for customers in various fields. Now, let's take a look at how popular vending machines at home and abroad ensure that each one is of a high standard. All products of TCN have passed dozens of strict quality monitoring to ensure product safety and stability. After more than a dozen procedures to confirm one by one, all qualify to enter the final packaging, coating stickers, finished products, scanning, formal production line. Worthy of being TCN, a complete set of automatic production system, a large number of artificial intelligence and advanced production equipment, meticulous testing methods with high standards and strict requirements for quality assurance. With more intelligent and secure products, TCN deeply integrates artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cloud services, and big data. They turn the complex into simple to create intelligent retail equipment and open up a new era of intelligent retail.